running a successful video marketing campaign with Snapchat. Hey there, friends. These last 2 lessons have been amazing because we showed you how to dominate paid video marketing on the 2 most engaging social media sites in the world. And the good news is that we saved a little surprise for last. Yes, we've got something special for you because in this lesson, we're going to show you how to create an awesome advertising campaign for Snapchat. Getting started. Before you can create a paid video marketing campaign on Snapchat, you will have to register an ad account. You can do it by visiting the forbusiness.snapchat.com/URL, then clicking on Login to sign into the Snap Ads Manager with your Snapchat credentials. All you'll have to do next is to enter your business information. Creating the Snap Ad campaign. Once you set up a Snapchat ad account, you can visit the https://ads.snapchat.com/URL and sign in with your Snapchat login info. You will land on the campaign creation page. There are 2 ways to create a Snapchat ad from this page. Instant Create lets you create a single ad in a few minutes. Advanced Create allows you to create multiple ads for a single campaign. The easiest way to create a video marketing campaign here is to select Instant Create. Okay, now you have to select your advertising goal. The available goals are website visits, app installs, and app visits. For this example, let's select website visits. When you select this objective, you will be prompted to enter your landing page URL into the website URL field. Enter your URL and then click on Next. Alright, now it is time to design your ad. Click on the Upload Video or Photo button to locate and select your marketing video. If your video is not formatted for mobile screens, you will be prompted to crop it. Select the section you want to crop and click on the Crop Video button. Now it is time to enter your company info and copy to the ad. By default, the name of your business will be added to the Name of Business field, but you can edit it if you're promoting a different brand or product. Next, enter your ad copy into the headline field. Now click on the Call to Action drop-down menu button and select a Call to Action button for your ad. You can now click on the Next button to continue to the next step. Now it is time to set up your ad delivery and targeting. Start by clicking on the Demographics tab. In this section, you are going to select the genders, the ages, and languages of your target audience. Now click on the Locations tab and use the drop-down menu buttons under Locations to select the location categories that you'd like to target. Now move over to the Budget and Duration section. First, you are going to select when your ad starts running and when it stops. By default, this is set to start running your ad immediately and to run indefinitely. You can click on the Starts and Ends fields to select a different schedule. Now click on the drop-down menu button under Budget to select a budget type. You can select Daily Budget or Lifetime Budget. For this example, we are going to select Daily Budget. Next, enter the amount that you're going to spend in this campaign according to the type of budget that you select in the Amount field under Budget. Now move over to the Business Address section. Here, you'll have to enter your business address into the Street Address field and to enter city, state, and zip code. This information is required, so make sure to enter a valid and complete address. Now move to the Payment Details section. Here, you are going to select the payment method that you'll use to pay for your ads. If you select credit, you'll simply have to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and zip code associated with the credit card. And if you select PayPal, you will simply have to click on the Pay with PayPal button and log into your PayPal account to add your account as an automated payment method. Now that you are done adding all your information here, check the Audience Overview section to get a preview of your potential reach, and then click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. And that is it. There's no easier and better way to launch a video marketing campaign on Snapchat, and you'll see when you try it yourself.